Hey, Plant Pals, Mike Kidda Gardener, and today's video is on the Winter Indoor Grow 2022, or WIG 2022 for fun. It's a silly thing that I came up with. It's a collaboration, it's open to all. The WIG stands for Winter Indoor Grow 2022. It's an open collaboration all. You can grow anything you want from seed. It has to be from seed. Don't cheat and use starts or anything. Grow something inside from seed. That's the point of the collaboration. Want people to grow inside during the winter time. It starts December 7th through March 15th. The community will pick the winner or winners. We haven't really decided yet on that. We also, I'm sure GT will probably give some seeds away. I have some seeds and a prize that I could give away. But again, this is for fun, so don't take it too seriously. This is just a way of getting people to grow inside. I talk to people all the time who say they have their AeroGardens still in the box. They're nervous about setting it up and getting running. It's really nothing to be nervous about. It's super simple and it's fun. And especially in the dark days of winter, right now it's 12 degrees outside, and the ground is covered with inches of snow. So it's gray. It gets dark at 4 o'clock. It's gray. It's depressing, and nothing cheers you up more than having something living growing inside, especially something that you can eat and enjoy. But that's not the completely the point of this collaboration. This is grow anything that tickles your fancy. That's from a seed. You could grow. If you're in a warm weather climate and you're growing your winter things, why not try to grow something summery inside? Because I'll tell you what, something like a pepper does not care what the calendar says. Look at all these peppers. So grab a seed. It doesn't have to be peppers. It could be herbs. It could be, bonus points. As I said in the thing here, bonus points for growing something weird. Grow a potato inside. You got basically 3 months. Grow carrot inside. This is an old vitamin bottle. You have an AeroGarden and you have AeroGarden pods. Put some plant foods. Put a few drops of the like a half a cap of the food solution, and drop it in. If you have soil, if you want to use soil, this is not a strictly hydroponic collaboration. If you want to use soil, use soil. Grab an old Greek yogurt container, fill it with soil, grow carrot, grow some radishes. Radishes will grow in a month. You have 3 months. You grow multiple things. Show off. Or take an old sweetener bottle and a 2-inch nut cup and drop it in. Use your AeroGarden sprout. Use an AeroGarden. Use an old storage tub and drill holes in it. Anything that you can grow in and grow inside, go for it. And if you don't have a grow light, grow it by a window. If you have a northern facing window that gets a lot of sun, go for it. Again, this will be hosted by GT Junior Grows in Alaska. And again, bonus points for growing something weird, because why not? It's fun. And that's what the whole point of this collaboration is. It's just to have fun. I just threw it together at the last minute. I was thinking about it earlier, like a month or so ago, and kind of threw around the idea, but no one kind of really went for it until now. People seem to be excited about it now that it's for sure winter time. So let's do it. WIG 2022, Winter Indoor Grow 2022. Hashtag WIG 2022 is the hashtag to use. I will probably be doing a time lapse on what I grow, so you'll see it grow from seed to whatever plant I decide. I'm not trying to win anything, but I'm definitely encouraging other people to join in and have some fun. And possibility of winning us, some seeds or something small like that. This is all for fun again. And I hope a lot of people join in, because I think it'll be a great. All right. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.